Isang impeachment complaint ang isinampa kahapon sa Kamara laban kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Inendorso ito ni Deputy Minority Leader Journey Jet Nisay ng Pusong Pinoy Party List. Nakapaloob sa reklamo ng isang attorney Andre De Jesus ang paglabag di umano ng Pangulo sa konstitusyon, betrayal of public trust at corruption. Pag-usapan natin ito kasama si Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervil Luisro, ang chairman ng Committee on Justice. Magandang gabi po. Congressman Luisro, welcome po sa Arangkada Balita.
Magandang gabi po and thank you for having me here in Arangkada Balita.
Yes, salamat po. Alam namin na ganitong oras lagi kayo nasa biyahe at tinatanggap nyo pa rin yung aming tawag dito sa Arangkada Balita. Una po, Congresswoman Luisro, ano ngayon yung pagdadaanan na proseso? Alam namin na hindi kami pwedeng magtanong tungkol doon sa mga reklamo na inilagay doon. Pero paanong proseso po ang pagdadaanan nito ngayon?
Okay. Sa ilalim ng ating rules on impeachment, once ma-receive ng Office of the Secretary General ang impeachment complaint, which has been confirmed already by Secgen Cheloy, she has to transmit to the Office of the Speaker the impeachment complaint immediately. No? And then from the Office of the Speaker, he has a period of 10 session days within which to include in the order of business the impeachment complaint among the order of business in the plenary. And then
Congressman, medyo napuputol-putol lang po tayo dahil mobile kayo, baka hindi lang maganda po yung signal. Congressman,
they have a
Ayun po.
period.
Sige.
Katabi.
Okay lang po. Yan.
Yeah.
Sige po.
So I will be repeating what I said, no?
Sige po.
From the Office of the Secretary General, she has to immediately transmit the same to the Office of the Speaker.
Opo.
And then from the A's to include the impeachment complaint in the order of business of the plenary, no?
Okay. Opo.
And then from the plenary, they have 3 session days to refer once the impeachment complaint is referred to the Committee on Justice.
Opo.
There are 4 important steps that we have to take.
Opo.
No? Number 1, we have to determine if the impeachment complaint is sufficient in form. Number 2, we need to determine if the impeachment complaint is sufficient in substance. Number 3, if the impeachment complaint is sufficient both in form and in substance, we will be holding the hearing proper. No? Magkakaroon ng submission ng responsive pleadings, execution of the necessary affidavits and counter affidavits, and thereafter, the Committee on Justice need to come up with its own resolution whether or not there is probable cause to support the impeachment complaint. No? Within the period of 60 session days, the Committee on Justice should be able to submit a committee report to the plenary, which will be subject to the approval of all the members of the 20th Congress. So basically, ito po yung proseso, no? I just want to clear kasi madaming nagtatanong, what's the difference between the impeachment process we had with VP and the present impeachment now against the president, no? Magkaiba pong modes ito. We have to understand na meron pong dalawang klaseng mode in filing an impeachment complaint.
Opo.
One is by private individual, sponsored by a member of the House, or by the House member himself.
Okay.
The second mode of filing an impeachment complaint is by at least 1/3 of the members of the House.
Okay po.
Ito po second mode, which is by 1/3, under the present rule
Opo.
and even under the Constitution, it allows us to directly transmit the impeachment complaint to the Senate without need of referring the same to the Committee on Justice.
Okay, sige.
But this is not the case with the present impeachment complaint.
Apo.
Sapagkat ang kasalukuyan po nating impeachment complaint
Mhm.
was filed by a private individual
Oo
in
nga
the
po, si
person of
attorney.
Attorney De
Yes,
Jesus,
opo.
sponsored by a House member, in which case, kailangang dumaan sa Committee on Justice. No? There's a big difference between
Okay.
impeachment complaint against the VP and the present impeachment complaint against the President.
Okay, nako, maraming salamat, Congressman Luis. Medyo talaga hindi lang maganda yung signal at hayaan na namin kayo makabiyahe na po. Alam namin, nakaabala na po kami sa inyo. Maraming salamat po, Congressman Luis. Magandang gabi po at ingat po kayo sa biyahe nyo.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat po.